escalate these kind of ignorant connotations. Pockets empty, guns them load. Even some of the ignorant music thing. And one of the artists get vexed with me on there, you know. But as an artist, you know, as a living soul, you know, and as a man cater for people and study people, you know, you can't teach the people certain things, you know. It's evil, you know, that help pulling down on their own brother, you know, women dealing with, you know, Apple Jacks and Fruit Loops and pull down your pants and let me jerk it in. And, you know what I mean? What kind of respect then when I got for the daughters of civilization, for the mothers of creation then? Women are really teaching the youths at school then to be a hoodlum, to be a vampire. Women are pan, women are drinking, probably women are thinking or smoking it, mad when they hate to make when they think a thing. When they pan crack, women are dealing with. When they care for when the civilization, look, there's a poster. Love my life. This makes sense. You understand? Because if I come to this, I go study if I can get shoot. I'm disrespecting you know you by showing that the voice that when I pushing out in the name of reggae music. Because reggae music is the king's music. Yeah. And what we're dealing with is anti-African, anti-Christ. When I come to corrupt, when I go a new standard of corrupting different than the white man.
Right, that's why
the white man I'm pushing for Africans.
And I will all
so I show when that woman are dealing with.
And I say that the DJs that who know that they post should know that if they post especially Rastas because stand for Rasta gonna get more stronger like doing the bald head man come and put you think for the poster advertising saying that is that's a negative thing.
And you going forward and playing you to running with it and producing it.
That means the bald head controlling with it.
I don't man can't enough music.
Dancer.
You know what I mean? Be a dancer got this man head. I hear my music at the radio stations. Long time I hear my music playing, and as an artist long before this, my music at radio station from tapes, from on cassette tapes. I can't hear my music playing. But people telling me about then go scream my music.
Man, because listen, you want me here to tell you why? Because you went in Peter Coppin's studio or other man's studio and record. Every minute we play lyric, you know, lyric studio and do it.
I love
you understand? You understand?
My brethren.
And that's why they play music because when
to maturity.
When they play anybody who went in their main studios, they can get royalties, right? They can always think for royalties and back to their pocket.
What I mean? But what's showing them, man, is that this is it. We ain't begging when for the chance because when a man now come. We had careers long before we were DJs.
Listen,
when I don't come, when I try to kill off Rastafari, when I try to kill off reggae, if one's in Stanford, when I would have done destroy this whole thing.
All right.
But let me tell you, I tell you straight up, I can always be Rastafari, always be firm. My soul will always make a joy and a boast within me that the humble shall hear of and be glad because I can magnify Rastafari, I can magnify the Creator, I can uplift and our children and our folk. When they will never get me to bow for Isa Blazer or fight on or fight second or change and our faith. So let me tell you, when I play these music to corrupt the youth, to make them think that Rastafari music boring. When I got okay, there be music playing on the ear, I'm gonna get to the curse word, when I'm prompting it out, well I want them to know we sending school the children to be intellectual so they understand what we're dealing with and they're barking it out in front the children and the society and the system corrupt and it's dangerous what we're doing to the youths. Bring back the true music. When I'm dealing with reggae means the king's music. Bring forward the king's music. Let it be sung on the high tops, the house tops, the mountain tops. That true music will live and let all this ignorant music women are trying to live up die out. Cartel and these bleak-faced monkeys that kind of make Rastafari and Blackfoot feel
and he put no
insignificant locks and trying to carry an image.
That was who are going to carry in a fucking
people
prison?
They dealing with a liberty, so they man go down. Synagogue of Satan and for go down called the worship Babylon and Babylon money and the evil.
They tattoos and all sorts of things.
Not respect to the positive parties.
What people bleaching and all sorts of rap.
Ignorance.
And selling beer, rum and all sorts of things. They take their music.
Idol.
Right, they take their music to advertise, to sell them rum, and sell them bleach products.
To uplift the African kind.
Turn me from a different race so human being to American.
When I met Bob Marley, Peter Tosh, and their man roll set in their man grave. Because they make such a groundation know that when they come, the fire can be 10 times hotter. But when they come and chop beer water in the fair and come now with a mock form of vibes and you vibes, you should carry them somewhere else when the boy can't tell. Because them in the kind of vibes what we really want for the nation. I speak for Barbadian people and the families and the honorable people that send in school the children and want to see the children turn out to be somebody. And when ignorant teachers come and down them things from Barbadian youths, and the youths like them in sing. So what we want us to do is restructure and rethink what we're really doing to want to own children, and want to own future, and want to own nation. We're going to bring these kind of Debbie voice around and tell ourselves that that's where it is. I got enough respect to artists like LRG, enough respect Bagina Kente, enough respect Oracle, Easy B, Groundation, you know what I mean? Lil Lamb, Bongo Lights, Judah Blackness, you know what I mean? Prosperity,
yeah.
Temple Yard, all the people that does work to keep Rastafari music on the truest path that it can be on. I respect all the artists that ain't bowing for $1 and hold faith and hold firm, cause I in it long, and people might feel that I should be a billionaire. But I ain't selling my soul for vanity because I got the love for the people and the love for the Almighty and the Creator at heart. So I know this. All the artists that positive, stay positive. Don't let the boy when it over for $1, no say that when they done met with the money, when they still go answer for the soul, you know, stay firm and focus. Enough respect to the original Bongolite, who has been always on the ball, who I know for sure have documented Rastafari from the earliest till now. So any man that want challenge, we could bring 4 things from the ancient Iowa to prove where we're going wrong. So keep the faith. All man from Reed Street, all man from Chapman Lane, Nelson Street, Pine, Carlton Village, where Rastafari was flourishing at the early pitons, from all back in the early 60s. Give thanks for holding the faith. When they don't stray from the faith, don't lose sight of the vision. Without the vision, the people shall perish. Hold the faith and continue to give praises and praises to Haile Selassie first. Rastafari! Babylon for go down. Selassie. Enough respect to Bongo like it's cultural place. Come and get one of the food, it always here. Enough more programs coming up as we restructure and regather. And when we listen up, continue to check Rastafari DVD news and find out what's going on in Rastafari in Barbados and University. For these few words, Selassie I give thanks. Rastafari!
Bundle.